How to set custom ringtones on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now to set the custom ringtones on Android, what you have to do is simply make a long press on any of these applications and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can simply see different options. So let's select on notifications over here for now and then scroll down and tap on the option of other option. And here you get to see the option of sound. Tap on the sound option, and as you tap on sound, it's right now selected for none. So let's just select on the sound option and this will take us to ringtone option. So now we can simply choose local ringtone over here. You can select on music or any of the options that you are given. And if you have songs, then you can select from the songs. If not, you can select on pre-installed ringtones as well. So I'm going to select on one of these randomly and tap on apply, tap on OK, and there you go. You can do the same process for different apps on your Android, and that's how you can set custom ringtones on Android apps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.